To survive, our ancestors consumed the wild to steal its power.
Today, that ancient hunger has evolved. We no longer consume the flesh. We sequence the code.
Nature is an open library of genetic enhancements.
The bowhead whale utilizes MGMT for DNA repair.
The Greenland shark's AFP genes provide cold resistance.
The elephant's TP53 copies grant cancer immunity. The tardigrade's D-sup protein shields against radiation. We synthesize this strength into human code.
We select the traits, algorithms generate the form, and biology becomes our canvas.